Hi everybody, my name is Andrew Sutton. This is my portfolio project that I'm submitting for Graduate with Honors. It is called Your Shelf. It is an application that allows people to search for any book either by title or by subject and then saved the books that they have read in a digital bookshelf on their profile page. The technology that I used was React Native for the framework. I implemented Redux for the project-wide state management, and I used a couple of different libraries for styling, but mostly React Native Elements, and React Navigation for navigating between the different components. So let's say I want to search for classic books. Although I'm not logged into the site, I can still search for books, and it will populate 20 books, and I can click more info to find out more about that specific book. There will be a scroll view of all of the different covers saved for that book, along with the description and a list of subject places. Let's say I want to search for some Harry Potter books. Again, 20 books, Harry Potter. But unfortunately, I can't save anything until I'm logged in. So let's create an account. All of this information will be stored in the Redux store for us to be able to log in with. Let's say I accidentally misspell my password. It will not let me log in, so I have to make sure that everything is spelled correctly. I can show or hide the password if I so choose. I can add a picture from my gallery if I want to. But more importantly, I can actually go back and save books. If you do save them, I conditionally rendered the buttons to change. And let's just say I am an avid Harry Potter fan. Now here I can either remove the book from my saved page or say that I have actually read the book. If I removed it, I can go back and save it if I want to. If I say that I've read it, then this button changes, signifying that I have actually read that book and not allowing me to save it again. If I say that I've read it here, then it'll get pushed into my digital shelf. And I know that the spines don't really give a lot of information about the book, so if you click on the book, a tooltip will pop up giving the title, the author, and the ability to remove the book from my shelf if I want to. So let's say I accidentally added this book, which is not a Harry Potter book. I can remove that from my shelf and clean it up a little bit. Some of the major challenges I faced was, one, just implementing Redux. I was not very confident in my Redux skills before this project, and I'm really glad that I pushed myself to use Redux because I feel like I know a lot more now than I did before. The other major challenge was just sifting through the loads of JSON data that came back from this API that I used. There wasn't a whole lot of consistency between the information given for different books, so I had to use a lot of conditional rendering in order to fit the needs of the application. My GitHub for this project is here if you need to look at that at all. I hope you guys enjoyed my portfolio project, and I'm excited to hear back from you. Thank you.